Hello, fart butts. Today I have a very quick unbagging of this diamond painting from Amazon, and I have been unboxing more price affordable, budget friendly canvases just to show you guys that there are options. While I love my premium canvases, there are other options for diamond painting. You don't have to spend $70, $80 on a diamond painting as much as I like to. Sometimes it hurts my wallet, so I hope you guys are enjoying my more budget-friendly kit unboxings. If you are new here, I'd love it if you join the hive. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. So let's check this out. Oh, it comes in a box. DIY diamond painting. Okay, interesting. Here's some notes about diamond paintings and caution, do not choke on it. On the other side of the box, we have instructions on how to diamond paint. This isn't a very big box, as you can tell, my hand for comparison. But let's take a look. So this was regular $15.99 on Amazon, and there was a coupon code that I found for 50% off. So I got it for $8. Not a bad deal, not a bad deal. It took 2 days to ship, which was exciting. Let's take a look-see. Oops. Okay, let me just rip this. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, it measures 30 by 40. Here is the thumbnail. It is a mushroom stock photo. Pull out the drills. Here's the drills. They come pre-bagged in Ziplocs. Check this out. Oh, do we have something else? Oh, here's the kit that it comes with. You're like, oh, just get to the canvas already. But here's the kit, some baggies, a plate of wax, a tray, and a pen. So basic toolkit. I'm just going to unroll the canvas backwards. This canvas, I actually saw an unboxing of it on Purple Door Crafts video. She unboxed it. I think it's from, she had one from Spell Queen, and I looked up like who the artist was just in case it is a licensed stolen image, but it is an Adobe stock photo. So I was lucky. I found it on Amazon for a fraction of the price. I think mine is smaller than her version that she unboxed, but it is also poured glue. It's very cute. I think it's cute. So we'll take a look at the canvas. I'm just going to fix, because it's all wrinkly. So it's not the poured glue that's wrinkly, it's just literally the cover that's wrinkly. That is kind of better, so we can take a look at the canvas up close. So it looks like you most likely will need a light pad, but I use a light pad all the time. But if we're just looking in this darker area, like you can tell the 3s and the 0s or the O's, but might be something worth using a light pad for. P and the B might be a little bit confusing. There's the moon. This is, oh, it's a mushroom house. Cute. I don't know what it is with me and mushrooms, but apparently I'm down with mushrooms lately. I like eating them too. So there's a close look at the canvas. Symbols look pretty clear. Again, it's not going to be a super detailed painting because it is a 30 by 40. You can take a look at the schematic. $25 colors, so that's pretty good. 25 colors for a 30 by 40. I like the mushrooms. I like the moon. I'm not sure, is this supposed to be a fire or is it supposed to be a plant? Let's see if we can see. Focus. I can't tell what it's supposed to be, but it's just gonna be, I'm guessing it's a flower. There's gonna be a flower here. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. So they come pre-bagged, which is awesome. When they come like this, I usually just work out of the baggies themselves. I'm going to lower you down a bit. So here's a look at some of the colors. We'll take a look at these ones so we can look at the quality of the drills. So with round drills, it's really hard to F up round drills, let's be honest. But I'm not seeing a lot of junk or trash, which is good. Yeah, I think the quality of drills is fine. Keep looking at some of the colors here, some purples. This yellow is most likely for that middle spot. That's the fire or the flower, whatever that is. Yeah, keep going. That's a look at the drills. I like that they're pre-bagged, like I said earlier. It's just easy, so easy to kit up. So this is, oh, here's the box. This is the painting that I got from Amazon Canada. What are your thoughts on it? For $8, like I can't really complain. It's just a nice little snack that I can do in between my bigger canvases. I hope this was helpful to you. Again, if you're ordering from Amazon, remember that there's different sellers who sell on Amazon, much like there are different sellers on AliExpress. So this kit, while it is like decent quality, the drills come pre-bagged and everything, you might get a kit from a different seller that's totally different and have a whole different experience than I have had with this kit. But saying that, what are your thoughts on this kit? Let me know in the comments below. If you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of my hive. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!